Hey folks, good evening. This is Dan with SPY Success. It is Friday, February 22nd, and I just want to go over what the day looked like for the SPY. So the bulls are back, I guess you could say. Yesterday seemed to be a little bit of doubt that maybe the rollover, so to speak, was starting, and that we would continue down further today, but that sure isn't what happened. This is the open, and the market pretty much climbed through the morning. It settled off a little bit in the afternoon, a slight drop there, but recovered. Very strong day for the bulls, and recovery from yesterday. It just amazes me that this uptrend continues so strongly. Let's just get into a daily chart here, and I am going to go way back into March, and you've been hearing me talk about these support and resistance levels, which is a big part of what we do here to make sure that we're protected in our trades. But right now, and these levels change daily depending on what the market's done. Right now I have 280.80 as a potential top, if you will. And why is that significant? Well, if you look here in March, we tapped it here, pretty much there. We broke through it here, and then it fell off, and then immediately it becomes resistance again, and again, and again. And fast forward to where we are now. We are pretty close. So the chances are far better of a pullback when you look at these 6 times where it's touched it and retreated. We're close, not quite there yet, but we're close. So just be very careful. Those of you that are maybe a bit more aggressive in how you trade and you want to get in, that would make this support level even more critical. And again, this changes daily depending on what the market's done. Right now I have it at 276.05, which we're using as a trailing stop. As I said the other night, we are currently long the market, so the 276.05 is our stop, our protection, if you will, from anything in the event of a free fall or a very bad day. We want to make sure and lock in profits. So that's what we're looking at. And I share this with you now, folks, but this is what members to SPY Success get and will get. I am going to continue doing these videos and make them available to everyone for a time. Right now we have an introductory offer for membership of $9.99 per month, which is quite frankly ridiculous given everything that we offer here. Obviously I'm going to give the members these videos nightly with support and resistance, trailing stops, those kinds of things. I will give opinions on any stocks that you're looking at or own if you need some help with that. We'll help build charts. There's a whole host of things that you get with membership. I make myself basically available 24/7, readily available during the day and weekdays, evenings and nights, within a few hours, depending on when that message is sent. So there's so much that you could take advantage of, especially now with that introductory rate of $9.99 a month. And that won't last forever, although if you lock in now at that rate, you're grandfathered in, so that'll never change when the membership eventually will work its way up somewhere around $29.95 or $39.95. So anyways, find us on Facebook, Spy Success, and drop us a message there if you got questions or need help with anything. Otherwise, I wish you all a great weekend, and thanks for tuning in.